Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 11. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below if this has helped you out. You can look up. And there you guys go.